Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Swift ham. First, it's important to know if your ham is fully cooked or needs cooking. Most hams you buy are already fully cooked and just need to be heated through. Before you begin, take your ham out of the refrigerator about 1 hour prior to baking. This helps it warm up evenly, ensuring a more tender and juicy result for your meal. Now, let's get that ham heated perfectly. Set your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your ham, cut side down, in a roasting pan. It's crucial to cover the ham tightly with aluminum foil. This prevents it from drying out. Bake it for approximately 15 to 18 minutes per pound until a meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part reads 140 degrees Fahrenheit. A fantastic glaze elevates your ham to the next level. You can create a simple glaze with ingredients like brown sugar, honey, Dijon mustard, and a splash of pineapple or orange juice. Apply this glaze during the last 30 to 45 minutes of your ham's baking time. For a beautiful, caramelized crust, increase your oven temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and baste the ham every 10 to 20 minutes until it's wonderfully sticky and shiny. Once your ham is out of the oven, resist the urge to slice it immediately. Let it rest, covered, for 10 to 20 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every slice is moist. When carving, slice against the grain for maximum tenderness. For any delicious leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days, or freeze them for up to 2 months for future enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.